Welcome to RajClasses. Today we will discuss another pattern type. Just see 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Before discussing the logic for this pattern, we have already discussed this pattern, and this is the logic for printing this pattern. We have discussed in previous video. You can see the previous video. We have already discussed this pattern. Clear? So how to print this pattern? Clear? Now see. This is 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 like this. Clear? Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But now see the spaces, number of spaces in each line. This will be 4 spaces. Okay. Here you can see the number of spaces is same. So no change in space loop. Number of lines you can see 5. In number of lines, in we have taken integer n, and suppose we have taken the value of n is 5. So number of lines are same. Number of space before printing numbers is same. Here there is no space, here there is one space. You can match. So no changes in this loop. Clear? Now, whatever the z value we are printing, this is 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. Clear? Here also we are printing same. Only what the extra thing? Only extra thing is that after printing each number, there is no space, but here there is one space. You can see after printing each number, these are the z value we have already printed. In previous videos we have already discussed these things. So after printing the z value, you can see one space is there. Clear? You can see one space after printing each z value. So I can add only one line. Here it will be printf, just select it, printf \n. Yes or no? To going to the next line. Clear? So after printing the z value, what we have to print? Printf, what? Only one space. Clear? Instead of writing these two lines, I can write only one line. Printf, inside double quote, this is %d, then give one space here. Then double quote n, comma, z. Instead of writing these two lines, you can write only one line. Clear? This one line instead of writing these two lines. Now see whether this pattern is coming or not. Clear? Just see, when I value is 1, I less than equal to n, I plus plus. First time I value 1, it will work for 1 to n minus I, n value is 5 minus 1, that is 4. 4 times this loop will continue and it will give 4 spaces. Clear? Then come to here, j equal to 1, j less than equal to I means 1, it will continue for 1 time. So printf j value, that is 1, it will print. Then printf space, here it will give 1 space. Then j value will be 2, go out of loop. Then printf \n, it will go to the next line. Then I value will be 2, I plus plus, I value will be 2, 2 less than equal to, this is n value is 5. So 2 less than equal to 5, yes. Then it will work for s equal to 1, s less than equal to 5 minus 2, this is 3. So 3 times this loop will continue and it will give 3 spaces. Here. Then come to this loop, j equal to 1, j less than equal to 2, I value is now 2. Then it will work for 1 and 2. So for 1, it will print 1. then printf space, or you can see printf 1 then space. Clear? 1 then space. Then it will come for 2. J value will be 2. 2 less than equal to 2. Yes. It will again print the value 2. Then space. Clear? Then when J value will be 3, it will go out to this loop. Then print a backslash in. It will go to the next line. I value will be 3. Then it will work for what? 5 minus 3, this is 2. So 2 times it will continue and 2 spaces will be there. Next, come to this loop. J equal to 1, J less than equal to 3. Yes. Then for 1, J value it will print 1. Then space. Clear? J value will be 2. 2 less than equal to 3. Yes. So it will print J value, that is 2, and keep 1 space. Clear? 2 then space. Then it will continue for 3. 3 less than equal to 3. Yes. It will print 3, 1 space. Then when it will be 4, it will go out to this loop. Then come to here, print a backslash in, go to the next line. J value, I value is now modified to PART-4. So it will work for 1 to 5 minus 4, that is 1. So one time it will continue, give 1 space. So 1 space is there. After this, come to this loop. 1 to I, J less than equal to I, that means 4. So it will work for 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 values it will continue. So printf for J value 1, it will print what? 1. Then it will give 1 space. After printing 1, it will give 1 space. Then J value is 2. 2 less than equal to 4, yes. It will print 2. Then 1 space. Then J value is 3. 3, 1 space. J value is 4. 4, 1 space. Clear? When J value will be 5, it will go out of this loop. Then it print a backslash and it will go to the next line. When I value will be 5, 5 less than equal to 5, yes. So 1, 2, this is 5 minus 5, 0. So it will not go inside this loop. So it will not print any space. Come to here, J equal to 1, J less than equal to I. It will work for 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 values it will work. So printf, when J value is 1, it will print 1. Then after printing 1, it will print 1 space, 1 space. Clear? Then J value is 2. Yes, it will work 2 space. For 3, it will work 3 space. For 4, it will work 4 space. For 5, it will work 5 space. When J value is 6, it will go out of this loop. Then print a backslash and it will go to the next line. Clear? Now see, when I value will be 6, it will go out of I loop also. So it will print this structure. You can got it? This is very simple logic. You can see. Now see, another pattern. Instead of numbers, suppose we are printing stars. Just see. Instead of numbers, suppose we are printing stars. In this pattern, just see. 3 star, then 4 stars, then 5 stars. Same structure is same as previous what we have discussed. So no need to change in loop, only change in which part? Printing part, this printing part. Instead of printing Z value, what we have to print? Printf what? Star value. Got it? Very simple. So instead of printing what? Z value, we have to print what? Star. Instead of writing these two lines, you can write like this. Printf star, then 1 space. Here you will give space, no hyphen. This is space. I am giving hyphen, but this is space. You will just click in once in space bar. Clear? So star space. This is same as this. Understood? Next, suppose take another pattern. Suppose this is A, then BB, then CCC, D, 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 then E, 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 E. Now see, if you know how to print this pattern, we have already discussed in previous videos. You can see the previous video, how to print this structure. Clear? From this structure will come, because when we will give, after printing this value, when we will give one space, so it will convert it to this. Just see, for second line, B space, clear, then B, C space, C space, C, like this. So this will convert it to this. So we have already discussed this thing. So instead of printing, just see, we'll just change in this part. For printing these character values, we have to take one character ch, one variable character ch, and ch assigned to what? The value a first time. Character constant, that's why I am taking inside the single quote. Clear? Now we have to obviously print what? Print a percentile C, as it is character variable, percentile C, then ch would. Ch value we are printing. But where the ch value is changing for next time, just see, for I value 1, it is always A. When I value 2, it will only B. So ch value changing with which value? I value. Ch value each time changing with I value. When I value 2, it will be B, incremented from A to B. Clear? When I value 3, it will be incremented to C. So Ch equal to Ch plus 1 or Ch plus plus we will write inside I loop, but outside the Z loop. This is the end of Z loop. This is the end of Z loop. So after completion of Z loop or outside Z loop, inside I loop, I have to write what? Ch plus plus. Clear? Now see, whether this is printing this structure or not. Just see. When I value is 1 less than equal to 5, yes, it will work for 5 minus 1, this is 4. So 4 spaces will be there. So first time 4 spaces. Then it just see, j equal to 1, j less than equal to I. Same thing, just see. Here, after printing this, we have to give printf space. We just left it, printf space. Instead of writing these two lines, you can write only one line, printf percentile C, one space, then ch. This line also you can write instead of writing these two lines. Clear? So j equal to 1, j less than equal to I. 1. So it will print what? Percentile C, ch. So ch value first time A. So it will print A. After this, printf space. So it will give one space. Clear? Otherwise, printf A space. Clear? Then ch value will be V. Then printf backslash n. I value will be modified to 2. So it will work for what? 5 minus 2. This is 3. So 3 spaces will be there. So it will next line, it will print 3 spaces first. Clear? Then come to this loop. It will work for 1 and 2. J ends with, now I value is 2. So when j value is 1, it will print what? Ch. Ch value previously modified to what? Previously it was A. Then ch plus plus was there. So it will be now B. So ch value, then ch value previously it was A. Then when I value 2, ch will be modified to B. Ch plus plus means ch equal to ch. This is nothing but ch equal to ch plus 1. Previously it was capital A means 65 as key value. Now it is 66 modified to 66 key character is capital B. So when j value is 1, Clear? When I value 2, j value 1, it will print what? ch value modified to b. Then space, so b space. Then when j value 2 less than equal to yes, so it will print ch value same. Now ch value not modified inside the j loop, so ch value will be print same, b. Clear? Then space. When j value is 3, it will go out of this loop, ch value will be c. So ch value now c. Clear? Then print a backslash n, it will go to the next line. Then I value will be 3. So it will be 5 minus 3, this is 2. So 2 times it will work and it will give 2 spaces in the next line. Then come to this loop, 1, 2, 3. So for 1, ch value is now c. So it will print c. After that what? It will print space. Then when j value will be 2, so it will again print same ch value c and space. ch space. Okay. Then when j value will be 3 less than equal to 3, yes, it will again print same ch value c, then space. Then when j value will be 4, it will go out of this loop, j loop, then ch plus plus, this will be d, it will go to the next line, and in next line come to here, I value will be 4, so this is 5 minus 4, this will be 1, so it will work for 1 and it will give 1 space, so it is 1 space. Then come to here, 1, 2, this is j less than equal to 4, so it will work for 1, 2, 3, 4 values. So when j value is 1, then it will print what? ch value is now d. Clear? Then space d, then again space. Then for j value 2 less than equal to 4, yes, ch same value, it will print. So d, again space. Clear? Then j value is 3, again d, space. J value is 4, d, space. Clear? Then when j value is 5, it will go out of this loop. Now ch value will be modified to what? E. Clear? Now print a backslash n, it will go to the next line, and I value is now 5. 5 less than equal to 5, yes. S equal to 1, n minus I means 5 minus 5 0. So it will not work and it will not go inside this loop and it will not print any space. Come to here in this loop. Then j equal to 1, j less than equal to 5. I value is 5 now. So it will work for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values. So printf percentile ch. When for j equal to 1, it will print what? Ch value. Ch value is now e. So it will print e. Then print a back space. So it will give 1 space. Then for j value 2, it will print again e space. When j value is 3, e space. J value 4, e space. J value 5, e space. When j value 6, it will go out of this loop. Clear? Then j value will be f. Then print a backslash n, go what? To the next line. Now I value is 6, 6 less than equal to 5, condition false, it will go this way. Now see this pattern. So we got this pattern. Clear? All of you clear? Understood? This is very simple. Same way you can print. Same way you can just check. Just print this pattern. Suppose A, B, C, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, E. Can you print this pattern? Very simple. What the changes we have to do? Each time you just see, for each line, CH starts from A. So CH equal to A, we have to write what? Inside I loop. Only we have to declare about the loop. The variable CH we have to declare. But CH equal to A, we have to write inside what? I loop. Because for each line, for each I value, CH starts from A. Clear? Now we have to print this CH then printed this. But see, this CH++, will be inside which loop? Inside Z loop now, not inside the I loop, but inside the Z loop, because these are the Z value. When Z value changing, it is printing these values. Each time CH is modified with the Z value. So CH++ will be inside Z loop. You just try run it and you just see it will print this. Clear? Only small modification so that it will print this. Only we have taken what? CH equal to A inside the I loop and CH++ inside the Z loop. No more changes. Clear? These logics are very simple, but you should understand these things. If you want to understand, then you can write the whole program. Clear? Logic part is important. Today we'll stop here, and in next video we'll discuss some more pattern type. Thank you.